Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the incoming and outgoing shipment in Odoo 17. So in order to discuss this, let's hop into the inventory module first, and we are going to manage the incoming and outgoing shipment from the inventory module. Let's say we have just received an order from the customer for drawer black and we don't have sufficient quantity. So first we need to keep the product in our stock. So using the incoming shipment, in 3 steps, first we will be inputting the item, then we have to check the quality, and finally we will be keeping the item in the stock. And once the product is in the stock, we have to deliver the item to the customer. So in order to deliver, we have to just pick the item from the stock, then finally we have to pack that, and the last step will be to deliver the item to the customer. So this can be easily managed in Odoo inventory module. So for that, first we have to consider the routes of the warehouse. So to manage that, you can just go to the configuration settings of inventory module, where you can find the routes under the warehouses. So you have to enable the multi-step routes to use the routes under the warehouses. So currently I have enabled that, and let's save the settings in the inventory module and let's move on to the warehouses to manage. So you can just dive into the configuration menu to manage the warehouses, where you can find the default warehouse right now. So I'll be creating a new warehouse where you can provide the name of the warehouse. So here I'm gonna give the name of the warehouse as Cybroses, where you can just provide the short name. So we will be providing the short name for the warehouse as Cybro, which is mandatory field. So you have to give that field as compulsory. And here you can see the warehouse configurations. Under that tab, we have the shipments, that is the incoming shipments and outgoing shipments, where you can just receive the goods in different steps. So here we will be choosing the incoming shipment in 3 steps and as well as the outgoing shipment in 3 steps. So if we are setting the incoming shipment as 3 steps, we will be receiving the goods in the input, then we will be checking the quality, and finally after considering the quality and all, we will be putting the stock. Okay, and once we receive the products in the stock, then we have to deliver the item to the customer. But we won't be directly delivering the item to the customer. Rather, we have to pack the items, and we will be, pick the item first from the stock, then we will be packing, and finally we will be delivering the item to the customer. So let me save the changes that I have made, and under the technical information you can find the warehouse view location, which is Cybro, and the location of the location stock, that is Cybro stocks, and we will be inputting in the Cybro input, and the quality control location will be Cybro quality control, and we can check the packing zone of Cybro, and we can also get the output location, and afterwards you can also find the operation times that gonna perform under this warehouse. So in type, we can see the receipts that will be Cybro receipts, and the internal type will be Cybroses internal transfers, and the picking will be taken from the Cybroses pick warehouse, and packing will be done from Cybro packs, and out types and all. And you can also see repair operation types over here if you want to just perform any repair. So let me first go to the general settings to activate the developer mode. So here you can find the settings and we can activate that. Okay, so when you just drag down, where you can find the developer mode under the developer tool. So we have just enabled the developer mode, where you can just go to the purchase module, because we need to keep the product in the stock. So let me create a new RFQ where you can choose the vendor. So I'll be choosing the vendor as Azure because he is one of the loyal customer in this list. So we gonna purchase the item, which is drawer black, and we want 10 quantity of drawer black from the vendor Azure, and we have to keep the stock or the input the item in Cybroses receipts. Okay, so here you have to change the deliver to as Cybroses receipts, and finally you can save and confirm the order. So we have just made a purchase order. So before receiving the item, let's move on to the inventory module, and you can find, as we have just created a warehouse, all the warehouses can be viewed under the inventory overview. Okay, and here you can see the internal transfers that is waiting under the Cybrosys, like the receipts that is waiting, and the internal transfers that we need to perform. So as we have just confirmed the RFQ, I mean the purchase order, you can see that there is one to keep in the stock. So you can click on one to process, where you can find the order that we have made, so which is in its ready state, and you can just validate that. So once you validate, you can see that currently the product is in its destination location of Cybro input. Now the inputted item need to be sent for the quality purpose. So you can just move on. So let's move on to the Cybrosys inventory overview, where you can find the internal transfers. So you can just choose the internal transfers, and you can see that we need to check the quality of the item. So here you can see that the source location will be Cybro input and the destination location will be Cybro quality. Okay. So here, as we have just enabled the incoming shipment in 3 steps, we will be inputting the item, then we will be checking the quality. Afterwards, once the quality checking is done, then only the item will be moving to the stock. So here you can see that the destination location is currently quality control, because we are going to validate the quality of the product. So you can just click on validate button so that you can view everything, and if you want to get the detailed operation, you can find that. As well as you can also get the valuations over here. So currently we don't have anything under the valuation. So let's move on and let's back. So we have just done that, and once we have done with the quality control, now we need to keep the products in the stock. So here you can see that currently the source location is quality control, and from there we have to keep the product in the stock. So you can just validate the process, and you can see that currently we have just moved the item to the stock. So if you want to just review the items in the stock, you can just move on to the products, and you can see that currently we have 10 on hand quantity, because we have finally moved the stock to the moved the product to the stock. Now we know we have just received an order from the customer, so we need to deliver the item to the customer. So here also we have just enabled the outgoing shipment in 3 steps. So in this case, we have to just pick the item first from the input, and from there we have to pack, and after the from the packing center we will be delivering the item to the customer. Okay, so this can be done from the sales module. So you can just move on to the sales module, where you can choose the new, that is to create a quotation. And we have just received the order from Wood Corner, and you can choose the product, which is drawer black. So as you choose the product, you can see that the on-hand quantity of the product is not sufficient, right? Because this is taking from another warehouse. So currently we have to pick the right warehouse, because we have just stocked the item in Cybro warehouse. So under the other information, we have to just change the warehouse, where you can choose a warehouse that we have just created, which is Cybrosys. Now you can just go to the order lines, and you can see that we have sufficient quantity. So I'm going to change the quantity as 5, because we have just received an order from the customer, Wood Corner, for the product drawer black, and we have sufficient quantity under the warehouse Cybrosys. Now let's save this and confirm. So once we confirm, we can see that there will be created 3 delivery operations or transfers. This is because we know that once we confirm the order, and as we have just chosen the outgoing shipment as 3 steps. First, we have to pick the item, and we have to just pack the item, second step, and finally we will be delivering the item. So here you can see that the source location of the item is currently Cybro stock, because the product is currently is in Cybro stock. From there we have to just pick the item. Okay, so you can also find the destination location as Cybro packing. As you just move on to the inventory module, you can see that here we can find different operation types, and we can directly get the pick operation from here. So here you can see that there is one to process, because we have to do one of the steps, that is to pick the item. So you can just directly get or pick the item from the inventory module, or you can manage the process from the 3 delivery smart app of the sales module itself. So here you can find that the source location is Cybro, stock and packing, the destination location is Cybro packing zone. So let's pack the item from this, get the item and pack it. So let me send this item. So in order to do that, you can just click on validate the item, and currently you can see everything. And let's move on to the inventory overview. And when you just move on to the inventory overview, the next step is to pack the item. So let's move on to the pack operation to do the packing of the item. There you can just click on validate, and finally we are going to deliver the item. So this delivery operations can be either done from here, and here you can see under the delivery operations, we can just choose the operation that to process, and currently the operation is ready because we have just picked the item, we have packed, and finally the product is available, and you can see the availability and all, and we are directly going to validate the process. Okay, so when you just click on validate, upon confirmation of an SMS, you can just deliver the item to the customer using 3 steps. So it's very easy to manage with the incoming shipment and outgoing shipment in Odoo 17. The incoming shipment would allow to check the quality of the item, so that would create a good life with the customers. So hope this concept is clear for you. So as always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.